and I'm gonna make a tomato soup. And so the reason I decided to do this video was a couple of reasons. Well, because I was looking up recipes for tomato soup, and they're really complicated. This is unnecessary because, you know, the people at Campbell's are not thinking that hard about that Campbell soup that comes out in that condensed can. Did anyone hear that? I don't know if it's true or not, but let's just share it anyway. So it is the internet. The CEO said something like, canned soup is for poor people. That was great. And I'm like, well, it's a little bit true, I suppose. I mean, but I still like canned soup when I'm in a pinch. But then I was like, I don't need canned soup. I mean, how hard can it be? It's tomatoes, it's milk, it's salt, it's fat, it's acid. So that's why I compiled a little recipe. Now, love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, because you know, at some point it's kind of fun being a YouTuber. I know it's probably not in the cards for me, but just like and subscribe, because that would make me feel good. All right, so here we go. I already melted 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour in that melted butter. Now, 4 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons, that's what we call a roux. I mean, not necessarily 4, but even measurements. You know, I kind of don't know what I'm talking about. So, but I do want to sort of cook off that flour. I don't want that. No one wants that. Oh, my husband's coming in. And we'll see how he feels about me doing a cooking video. He's pretty good about it. Really, really, really good. You just turned up the... Yeah, would you turn that light down? Because it's not shining a little. Thank you. If you say that like Kim Kardashian, no one can get mad at you. Thank you. Pre-measured like 4 cups of milk. And I'm going to slowly add that in there. Crazy. You know why? I forgot to cook my onions. But we're going to put those onions in there anyway, because I'll tell you what we're going to do. It might end up being a great thing, by the way, and steaks can be good. I was like, a half of totally was what I was going to do. I was going to saute them first. And I was going to cook this a little bit just so that roux and the milk kind of, you know, marry up. And I thicken a little bit. So how is everyone tonight? What did everyone make for dinner? Anyone make anything super delicious? Let's see. Shout out, please. Yes. Norman? Norman? Is that you? Norman? I think that person's name is Norman. That was my you know, psycho imitation. Gotta like concentrate, because that started a bubble a little bit. We don't want that. So that was white pepper. White pepper. I'm not drunk. I just act drunk. Great. So now I am going to put the chicken stock in here. An entire container. Like a half a cup of dry vermouth, like Martini and Rossi. You know, I was nice and tomato bisque looking, isn't it? Look at that. Didn't cost me $16 either. Anyone have any? Shout out to Google Chrome. Goody, chicken bone, flip phone, no home, underground, Flintstone, self up. I love that. It's like a poem, right? I like that.
Where's my sandwich?
All right, yeah. So that's the tomato bisque. And I hope you enjoyed this. So this is what I put in it. It really is good, all right? And a couple cups of chicken stock, and then you have a roux, which is 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, and then tomato paste, which I think we should use more often because it's very cost effective, and just a can of tomatoes. And I just blended that all together. I'm not putting any herbs in there because I don't want to make it taste like a spaghetti sauce. It's just supposed to be like a little comfort tomato bisque kind of thing. All right, put a little bit of vermouth in there. Didn't need to, but I did. And salt and pepper to taste. And I really hope that you enjoyed this, because I enjoyed doing it. And I hope you tune back in again. Oh, thank you. Thank you for liking. I see I have 5 likes, and I really do appreciate it.